Hello everyone. Vivo ने आज V70 series launch करी. So there are two phones they launched in it. One is Vivo V70 and another is Vivo V70 Elite. I have this Vivo V70 Elite with me and it comes in this primrose gold color. I have said it before also that I have maybe experienced thousands of phones so far, but I have rarely seen anything like this. Very very elegant color, I must say, and I think it will appeal to both men and women equally. बहुत ही अच्छा कलर निकाला है वीवो ने, मुझे लगता है स्मार्टफोन्स में आज के डेट में एज ऑफ टुडे आई डोंट सी एनी कलर विच कम्स वेरी क्लोज टू दिस in terms of very very rich and real elegant look. Now, coming to one of the key selling propositions of this phone, which is its size, it is ideally sized at 6.59 inches. Vivo also, positions it as a phone with golden grip, which means you can hold it very conveniently in one hand, and most of the operations you can really do in using one hand. ऑल्दो द ब्रांड क्लेम्स कि आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, बट मैंने देखा कुछ चीज़ें आप सिंगल हैंड से ऑपरेट करना उतना इजी नहीं है, बट मोर और लेस आप सारा काम कर सकते हो इजीली. इट इज़ रियली कन्वीनियंट टू यूज. तो एट टेकआर्क ऑल्सो वी हैव दिस, we plot phones between comfort and convenience, whereas how convenient it is to carry and how comfortable is it to use in terms of consuming content. तो वहाँ पे I think this phone is going to really score somewhere at an equilibrium. We are going to do that test very soon with the phone. Um, uh, but nevertheless, phone is very very good. It comes with very good display. Besides the V series का promising camera, जो मुझे सिर्फ इसमें एक चीज इशू लगा इज द नॉमेनक्लेचर. देखिए, वीवो नेम्स दिस वीवो V70 एलीट, और जब हम एलीट का सोचते हैं, इवन इफ वी ड्रॉ एनालॉजी फ्रॉम द ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री, एलीट इज मोर टू डू विद लक्शरी, कंफर्ट, enhanced experiences, maybe build quality अच्छी होती है, ऐसी चीजें होती है when you call something elite. But when I compare it with its base variant, which is V70, the only major difference is of processor. Now वो हम already pro series और normal number series में भी देखते आए हैं. So I was expecting personally that कि elite का कुछ और मतलब होगा यहाँ पर, but it is more or less the same. जो हमें pro और number series में difference मिलती है वही हमें यहाँ पर V70 और V70 elite में भी मिलती है, but nevertheless it's a good phone to consider.